Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm the Splinter Smith. Today we are doing another time-lapsed pins day with special voiceover feature. I'm still not sure how I feel about doing this, but the only feedback I've gotten so far has been positive, so I guess I'll keep doing it. I've got two small pieces of oak put on the mandrel, like normal, and I'm roughing them out. I've actually already started shaping the bottom half of the grip part. The video seems to be skipping here. I don't know if it's doing that in the actual one, but I apologize. So I wanted to make this one kind of stand out a little bit. I haven't tried this particular pattern before, so doing a little a sphere at the top and then just like a long straight grip with a little bit of interest where the clip goes. Using the skew again to really straighten the grip out, and then coming in, putting in some curves at the top of the grip, and then again under the clip. And yep, I'm going to go straight into sanding here. So I made a mistake last time. This is going so fast I didn't realize that I was uh, how many sandpapers I was using. So this is the 200 or 400. Oh, I must have decided that I didn't like something. It's been a couple of weeks since I actually turned this, so I don't necessarily remember everything that happened. Yeah, okay, yeah, it was too big. I thought it looked too big. Just watching the video now. So yeah, there we go. 200, unless I started with the 400 again. Well, I hope this video isn't actually lagging this badly. I might have to touch it up. Yeah, I must have started at 400 because that's definitely 600. And then 8. And that's arguably the 15. I guess I just left it to spin. I must have stopped at 15. Nope. Nope, maybe not. What was I doing? In the future, so the plan had been that I was going to make a whole bunch of pins at once. I just dropped a piece of wood. I'm in my workshop as I record. Make a whole bunch of pins, record them all, do all the time lapses, and then they'd be ready for upload. And then, as usual, I've failed to uh, follow my own plan, but it's okay. Well, and then I've added the voiceover situation, so that's different. All right, well, there's the CA. Um, letting it sit, and then a little technique I've developed is that I sort of spin it for a little bit and let it go. I guess I did two coats this time. Extra shiny. Yeah, so you let it spin, kind of like makes the glue spread out a bit, and then you can buff it. I'm really just buffing it with the cloth. I may have gone in and done some shellac. Yeah, there we go. Shellac and wax with the washcloth after. There's the wax, and then there's, yep. Oh, it's so shiny, so pretty. The interesting thing about making pins is that everyone compliments your work as though you're responsible for how nice the wood looked. But really, it's all the wood grain. Surely I corrected this camera angle. I didn't leave this, did I? This is terrible. Here's me digging out a bunch of pen parts. This must have been one of the first ones I did. I, again, don't remember anymore. I did all 4 of them in a single afternoon, and then, there we go. I did fix the angle. This had to have been the first one I did, because I don't think I moved the camera after that. There we go. Laying everything out, like I like to do. It helps. I may start making that my thumbnail. That one little frame. Nope. Maybe this was a later one, because I'm remembering to keep things in shot now. I do improve. just pressing the transmission in. I must have gotten it hung up on a little bit of glue inside the tube. I do my best to clear them, but it doesn't always work. Yeah, the ink, I guess, didn't want to go quite all the way through. There we go. I don't always, I usually don't press the transmissions all the way in the first time, just to make sure that because you can't back them out once they're in. Alright, installing the clip. Come on, get it together, man. And lining up some grain, and completed pen. How about that? And there's the beautiful edited version that went up on Instagram. So, once again, thanks for watching. Here's my social media. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe. I can't do this stuff without you guys. Follow me on all that stuff. And thanks.